Breathe in vitality and exhale wisdom with our insightful journey into the mechanics of your body's essential breathing process. Understanding how breathing fuels your body and sustains your health is crucial for every health enthusiast. The article delves into the fascinating process of breathing, detailing how oxygen is inhaled, distributed throughout the body by the heart, and how carbon dioxide is expelled. It explores the indispensable roles of the diaphragm, rib muscles, and alveoli in gas exchange, emphasizing that efficient breathing is key to energy production and overall well-being. It also highlights how conditions like asthma, COPD, and pneumonia can impair respiratory function, urging awareness and preventive action. Harness the power of knowledge to elevate your health journey. Implement mindful breathing exercises and make lifestyle changes that fortify your respiratory system against potential threats. Be proactive in safeguarding your lung health by staying informed about respiratory disorders and their triggers. Subscribe to our channel and give us a like to receive more captivating health insights and updates. Uncover the secrets to a healthier life, one breath at a time.